sliding scale, small number of, so far as I can judge, so far as I can remember, so far as may be, so far as we are aware, so long as I can, so long as I like, so long as there is, so to say, social reformer, sole surviving member, solely for the purpose of Solicitor General, some means by which, some method, some of us, some weeks ago, some years ago, something in the nature of, something must be done, source of revenue, speaking broadly, speaking from my own experience, speaking on behalf of the government, special facilities, secure deal, stage by stage, stand in need of, standard of life, standard of living, standing finance committee for railways, standing order, statement of business, statutory provisions, step by step, sterling loans, still longer period, stock exchange, strictly in order, strictly observed, strictly prohibited, strictly relevant to, strongly urge, subject to control, subject to the control of, subordinate officials, substantial grounds, substantial majority, superficial knowledge, Supreme Court of Appeal, surplus budget.